Everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. In today's session, I will be explaining you last two questions of exercise 8.3 comparing quantities. So let's see quickly question number 11. In a laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increasing. Okay, it is increasing at a rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours. So at the end of 2 hours means after certain time if the count was initially this. So you have to calculate after some hours. It means the given count is what? Principal, and what you have to calculate? Amount we have to calculate. Correct? So we will write it accordingly. Solution. Rate is given how much? 2.5% per hour. Principal is given as 5,06,000 and time is given as 2 hours, and what we have to calculate? Amount, right? Because we have to calculate the bacteria count at the end of 2 hours. It means it will increase, and then how much will be the amount? Let's see. Amount is principal 1 plus r upon 100 raised to the power 2, right? And the count is increasing, okay, at the rate of 2.5 per hour. It means amount will always be greater than principal here, what we will be calculating. So let's place the values. 06,000, 1 plus 2.5 upon 100 raised to the power 2. Here you can write t. Now if you remove this decimal, this becomes 1000 here, correct? We have removed the decimal and we have made it 1000. So your amount will be how much? Your amount comes out to be 506 123 1 plus, I can cancel it, 25 4s are 100, 0. So 1 by 40 square, correct? So this becomes 506,000. If you take the LCM, this will be 40. 40 plus 1, 41 upon 40 square, correct? So let's solve it further. Amount will be how much? 5,06,000 into 41 upon 40 into 41 upon 40, right? We can cancel 1 and 2, 1 and 2 zeros. Now if you divide it by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 1 carry, 4 twos are 8, 2 carry, 4 six are 24 and 4 fives are 20. So 41 into 41 into 1265 to be divided by 4. So now let's see how much is 41 into 41. This comes out to be 1681, right? It means now you have to multiply 1265 with 1681. Be very careful with the calculation. Now 8 5s is 40, 4 carry, 8 6 are 48 plus 4, 52, 8 2s are 16 plus 5, 21, 8 1s are 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Now we'll place 2 cross, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 39, 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15, 6 1s are 6, gives you a 7 here, 1, 2 and 3. So this is 5, 6, 2 and 1. Now add very carefully. This is 4, 6, this becomes 2, 1 and 2. So this is a very big number which you are getting here, 21,26,465, and we have to divide this number by 4. Okay, so let's divide it carefully by 4 and we will get to know the amount. So 4, 2, 1, 2, 6. This is a simple division. 4 5s are 20, 1 and you copy 2 here, right? How many times? 3 times. 4 3s are 12. You copy a 6, 4 1s are 4, 2, we copy a 4 here, 4 6 are 24, a 0, then you copy a 6 here, 4 1s are 4, 2, 4 6 are 24, then we place a decimal, 4 2s are 8, 2, then we add a 0, 4 5s are 20, right? It means my amount is coming how much? 5316 16.25. Now this digit after the decimal is less than 5. So approximately if I round it off, this number will be as it is. So this is the count of the bacteria which we are getting as, how we will write it? Count of bacteria, hence count of bacteria after 2 hours will be how much? 531616, right? So this was question number 11. Let's see the last question of this exercise. A scooter was bought at rupees 42,000. Its value depreciated. Depreciated means the value has come down with a certain time period. Suppose you have taken something for 200 rupees. After 1 year, it has been decreased and the price is now 100 rupees only. The price has depreciated. Depreciation means the price has come down. Okay. So at a rate of 8% per annum, find its value after 1 year. So this is a very simple question. We can apply the direct formula here. Let's see. Principal is how much? Rupees 42,000 at a rate of 8% and time period is given as 1 year, right? So if I calculate simple interest, P into R into T upon 100. Principal is how much? 42,000 into rate is 8%, 1 upon 100. These two zeros cancel. Now if I multiply by 8, 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 8 4s are 32 plus 1 33 and a 0. So it means 3,360 rupees is the simple interest. We have to calculate its value. This much the price has come down. This much is the depreciation. Okay, from the original value. So value, or you can write price after 1 year will be how much? 42,000 minus 3,360, which gives you rupees 0 and then a 4 here, a 6, this minus 8 and you are left with 38. So 38,640. This is the price after 1 year when there was a depreciation in the price of scooter at a rate of 8% per annum. So this was the last question of this exercise. I have explained you this complete chapter. I hope my concepts were clear to you. Please do watch my next video for the solution of more chapters. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.